Hi, Miss Mary.
Hi, sir.
Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Mary Giselle Sabado.
How old are you?
I am 39 years old
What your marital status?
and I'm single.
Do you have a kids?
Yes, I have 4 kids.
Who will take care of your kids when you work abroad?
My mother who taking care of my kids.
Do you have any experience working as a domestic helper?
Yes, sir, here in the Philippines.
What are your main duties as a helper?
My main duties is cleaning the house, washing clothes, washing dishes, and taking care of the children.
Do you need to send the kids to school?
Yes, sir.
Are you prepared to send the children to school if you need to?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to eat Chinese food when you are here?
Yes, sir.
What will you do if you feel homesick?
I will make myself busy and communicate my family through video call.
If your day off is not a Sunday, are you willing to take the job?
Yes, sir.
Are you afraid of dogs or cats or any other pets?
Only big dogs, sir.
Are you willing to also take care of pets like walking the dog daily?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to put down your phone and promise not to use it for personal reason during your working hours?
Yes, sir.
What would you do if the employer gets angry at you when you make a mistake?
I will apologize my employer and then not to do it again, sir.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to get a high salary and another opportunity for me and to make money to provide my family.
How long do you plan to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer needs me.
Say a few words to your future employer.
Hi, good morning to my future employer. My name is Mary Giselle Sabado and I am 39 years old. I have already 4 kids and my duties in the housework is cleaning the house, car washing, taking care of the children, ironing clothes, wash dishes, and car wash. Thank you.